Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can turn off comments on a Facebook post. Also, if you are interested in Facebook marketing, like how to grow and make more money from Facebook, check out our free Facebook resources and sign up for a free newsletter below. Alright, but now let me show you how you can turn off comments on a Facebook post. So first you need to tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then click on your name and profile picture and choose the post in question. Then click the three dots on the top right corner of the post. And you need to tap on who can comment on this post. If you choose public, everybody will be able to comment on this post. If you choose friends and established followers, then only those people will be able to comment on your post. You can also choose only friends, and if you don't want anybody to be able to comment on this post, you can choose profiles and pages you mention, and if you don't mention anybody, then nobody will be able to comment on this post. Alright, so all in all, this is how you turn off comments on a Facebook post. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with Facebook checklist for free, or the Facebook page growth checklist and other Facebook marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, we have a free weekly Facebook marketing newsletter that you can also sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial wasn't up to date, make sure to check the more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well that you can also find in the video description below.